What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to install tweaks on your jailbroken device on iOS 12. This is for the rootless jailbreak, so keep that in mind. The rootless jailbreak does not come packaged with Cydia, so you do have to manually install tweaks. And like I said, this is how you're going to do it on your device. No need to connect to a computer. And we're going to be using a Siri shortcut. It's a really cool trick. But first, before we get into the tutorial, I do want to open up Twitter here really quickly and let you guys know that if you have the iPhone 5S or the iPhone 6 on iOS 12, jailbreak support will be coming at some point today. As you guys can see, Jake James tweeted out yesterday, initial A7 and A8 support will be added to rootless jailbreak tomorrow. And tomorrow is today, so that's awesome. I believe this was an exploit that was from Teamstar, and now Jake James is implementing it within the rootless jailbreak. And I'm sure that Pwn, the developer of the uncovered jailbreak, of course, will be bringing that for the uncovered jailbreak whenever that is fully ready to go. So there is older device support coming, guys. Like I said in previous videos, now the exploit is out, so like I said, older devices will be supported, the iPhone 5S and the iPhone 6. But anyways, getting into this tutorial on how to install tweaks without a computer on your device. This is really cool. So the first thing you guys are going to need is obviously the rootless jailbreak. You can get it from the Ignition application. If you guys need to see how to get Ignition, I'll leave a video link for that down in the description where I show you guys how to get it. So once you have Ignition, go ahead and go into Ignition and then download the rootless jailbreak. From there, we can launch the rootless jailbreak. Now, by default, the iSuper is toggled off. Make sure that is toggled on. Also, make sure Tweaks is toggled on. And then you can go ahead and click on the jailbreak button. Now, I'm not going to be actually doing it because I do have the XS Max, which is not supported by this jailbreak yet, but I'll walk you guys through this. So make sure those two toggles are on, click on jailbreak, and then we are good to start the process. So the next thing you're going to need is Siri Shortcuts. If you guys don't have Siri Shortcuts, again, I'll leave the link for that down in the description so you can download it from the App Store. So go ahead and download and install that. The next step, what you guys are going to want to do is once you have Siri Shortcuts installed and you're in the jailbroken state, you'll need to go into iSuper and you'll need to click on Shortcuts and then unsandbox the application. So that is going to allow you to run this Siri shortcut, which is going to allow you to install tweaks. So you must unsandbox it, and then from there what you can do is add the Siri shortcut. Now, I will leave the Siri shortcut. Again, it'll be down in the description. Everything that you guys are going to need will be down in the description, so keep that in mind. And as you can see, there it is right there, the rootless jailbreak tweak patch installer. We can go ahead and we'll click on the three dots here to open it up. You will have to add your root password in this, and it will be by default Alpine. So I'll just go ahead and type it out for you guys just so you can see it. Just like that. All lowercase Alpine, and that is your root password. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on done. Now the next thing we're going to need is the URL for the deb file of the tweak. Now to get that, we can go to iOS repo updates, and we're just going to look up cylinder because it is a really cool tweak. We'll just click on search. Again, the link for this website will be down in the description as well. Everything you guys need will be in the description. But anyways, here is cylinder. I think we'll go with the big boss. And then we just need to locate the deb file. Okay, it did take me a second to figure it out exactly, but you click on this little guy right here. There's a version, as you can see, 1.0.6. You click on that number, and that will open up the deb file, as you can see. Now, what you need from this page is the URL. So you just click on the URL, click on copy, and then that's all we needed from that. So the next step is we're going to jump back in my photos because I don't actually have my device jailbroken, but you will click on the shortcut, and then you will get the deb file URL pop up. So go ahead and paste in the URL, which I just showed you guys how to do, and then you click on OK, and then it should go through a process within Siri Shortcuts, and as you will see, there will be a respring button. Just click on respring, and once your device is done respringing, you will have the tweak installed onto your device. It's as simple as that, guys. I am going off of a Reddit post, so if you guys want to check out the Reddit post, I will leave the link for this down in the description as well. If you guys want to see a different kind of step-to-step tutorial, again, the link for that will be down in the description as well. But that's basically how you're going to install tweaks on iOS 12 with no computer needed. A very cool trick. Let me know, guys. Do you guys want me to update my 7 Plus from 11.3.1 that's currently jailbroken to a version of iOS 12 and run the rootless jailbreak on it so I can give you guys more in-depth tutorials on it? I'm just curious if you guys would like me to do that. I'm willing to do it. It's kind of not fun losing the uncovered jailbreak on iOS 11, but I think it's worth it maybe to show you guys some better tutorials if I could get this device jailbroken on iOS 12. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments if I should do that or not. I'm willing to do it. I think it would be pretty cool for the channel. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.